Good evening, Dr. Arrington and Dr. Moore. This is Samuel Cannon, and I'm representing Group 9 and giving you a brief synopsis of our HPI project for discussion 5. The organization we chose is the WIN Academy, which stands for What I Need. It is located in Houston County, Georgia, and serves the whole county. It serves just under 200 students. Those students are considered at risk when they enroll in the program for various reasons, and this program is designed to support those students and encourage them to stay in a school and earn their high school diploma. The staff at WIN Academy is 5 part-time teachers in content areas, along with 5 part-time special needs teachers, a counselor that is also part-time, and 1 administrator. Our performance problem is teachers are unable to make meaningful and consistent parent contacts. There's several methods of data collection that we chose to use. We chose to collect data from the contact logs of the 5 teachers. We accessed their grade books and looked at 10 students in the grade books. We interviewed the 1 administrator, and we surveyed the 5 teachers, 10 parents, and 10 students to gather data. Through our data collection, we developed our gap analysis, and this was through the contact log and grade books and the interview with the administrator. Our actual performance, there were 6% of teacher to parent contact via phone calls and text are successful. Our desired performance is 85% of teacher to parent contacts via phone calls and texts are successful, and this created a performance gap of 25% more teacher to parent contacts via phone calls and texts are successful. We identified 3 potential causes for our performance gap. There is lack of correct student contact information in the school system. Teachers cannot get their parents to respond to unknown numbers, and financial instability. So we come up with several proposed interventions for these 3 potential causes. For potential cause 1, we would like the school to send contact forms home with the students to be filled out and returned. We will also set up a text, a call, an email, and post on social media sites a contact form to be filled out by parents and returned within 14 days. This will ensure that all contact information on students is correct in our systems. For potential cause 2, the WIN Academy will provide an opportunity for meet and greet with staff and parents to establish a relationship and exchange contact information, to put a face with a name. That will help with these responses to unknown numbers. And also, we will establish a 2-way communication via the Remind system. And last, to deal with the potential cause 3, we will provide mobile hotspots and other means of wireless internet communications to students and parents. Thank you. Have a Merry Christmas. Go Noles, go Dogs.